Hello guys, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today we're going to be doing another layout using the Pink Fresh. So I am going to be working with pinks and the pink and red. And so you guys saw in my last video, I used this piece of paper. So I'm still going to be trying to incorporate some of that in there. But I'm definitely going to be trying to pick in another color. And so I'm going to go ahead and go through and pick everything out and kind of get started, and I will show you guys. All right, y'all, I'm back and I am getting ready to put this layout together. So I figured I would show you guys kind of what I'm working with. So I have this red cardstock from that Together for Christmas project pad. I've been using that a lot because it has the colors just match so well with my color palette. I also have this green color that I'm going to be adding in, and that too came from the project pad. So I'm just going to use both of those and just kind of stick that one right there. And then I also have this really pretty, like almost like a pinkish purple color. It's very, very pretty. It's in the same color that my mom's shirt is in, so it's like perfect for this layout. I've been trying to go with the theme of using kits and using things that I have in my stash, but also looking at the photo as well to see what color scheme I can use, because I feel like that's like a big piece. So I still have this piece right here that I wanted to use, and I'm just gonna put it, I was thinking about like cutting it to the red, but I kind of like it overlapping the red. So that is my plan. I'm going to stick that down and just kind of put it a little bit like that. There we go. And then I did take my photo, I cut it down to 4x4, and then I layered it with a piece of the gold. And then these, actually I've used a lot of the cards in this collection because I feel like I have a hard time using them. So I only have like a few more left, and they're all like blue and green, so I definitely will be using them for other layouts. So I cut that out, and I don't really care for how this is a square, so I'm gonna kind of, or a triangle, so I'm gonna cut it like a straight line, so that way I have that. So I have that looking like that. And I am going to be using these 3 tags. These tags right here are what they look like on this side, but I'm actually going to use the backing, and I'm going to put them kind of like this around, and then this one will be kind of like hidden like that. So I'm going to actually put some twine on these. I have like this really cute green twine, and then I have the red twine that I'm going to add and try to use up. I do have a lot of twine in my stash, so I am trying to use that too. So let's see if I can get this through and on camera. Both of them would be nice, but if I can only get one through, that's fine. I feel like maybe I could get 2. I don't know why. So yeah, I have been trying to use like my stash and trying to just use like kits that, like color schemes that go with the photo and all that stuff. So Doesn't mean it's always going to be that way, but I do like how they are turning out. Okay, so we have one, and I'm just going to cut this down just a little bit. And we'll do 2 and 3. Hopefully I have enough room on my phone, because my phone has been acting up really bad lately. I'm not sure if it's because my phone is almost 2 years old and it's running out of storage. So I talk about my goals, and one of my goals is really to focus on getting my photos like off my phone and onto a hard drive. So then that way, like, I can keep them all, and, you know, I still have ones that are, you know, years from when Stella was first born, and now she's almost 4, and it's just crazy because you want to keep everything. But I'm also trying to be really good with only keeping certain photos and printing them out, because I used to be, tell me if you guys weren't, but I used to be one of those people who just printed out like a lot of photos, and yeah, it never went well because I didn't end up using them, and then they just, some of them were blurry. So I'm just trying to be a little bit more intentional about my layout or my photos. So anyways, I'm going to stick these kind of like that just behind the photo. So I'm going to put some glue on them and just stick them down if I can. Just going to stick this one kind of straight. The other two I will kind of catty corner. But I really have been enjoying using this collection. I did go through my photos, and I believe that I have enough to make at least another 2 more layouts, if I'm not mistaken. You know what, I'm just going to cover that up. I was going to leave it out, but I'm just going to cover it up. And then we'll put this one kind of like that. There we go. They don't have to be perfect, but still, they're super cute. I thought I might have had like a pink twine, but it didn't have something that was that light. So just these go with it. These colors go really well with it. All right, so here's our photo, and we're just gonna kind of just put it like right there. And so I'm gonna actually put that down right now, because that way I don't forget where it's supposed to go. And so the next thing I was going to do is put a cluster up here and then a cluster down here. And I have these little cute tags that I was going to use up. So I was going to use this one right here, and this came from the kit as well. I'm just going to maybe just kind of go like that. And then this is actually from the sticker sheet that I was trying to use up. And I think I did. I think I used everything on that sticker sheet. So I am pretty stoked about that. And it has like little, I'll show you guys the sticker sheet that I was talking about. So this is the one that I was trying to use up. So this will be in my empties for this month, and I'm super excited. Because I think I'm getting it all on this layout. So we have the little lights, and then I'm going to put this candy cane kind of like right here on the edge. And sorry guys if you hear the dogs are going nuts outside. They're not my dogs, but they're going nuts. And then I was going to do a little cluster over here using some of these pieces. And I think the one that I was going to use was this one right here. So I was going to use this one and just kind of like layer it, tuck it underneath to where it just kind of comes off the side. And then I was going to do this Merry Everything because it's super cute. I love it. It's so pretty. And I think that was gonna be it for that side. I was gonna do something up here, but I'm not quite sure. I could do Mary, Twinkle, Noel. I could do another circle. I think I might do like a circle, but I'm just not sure. Oh, I have this. And I'm sorry guys, you guys will hear the packaging. Oh no, it came off. Okay, so maybe I could use that, but I need something red on that side too. And I need something green on this side. Maybe I could use this little stocking. I don't know. I don't know if that's like too much. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay. Because I do want to put like the lights down here. I think that's going to go right there. So I just need something up there that's a little red. Spread joy. I don't want to do Mary. Christmas love. Oh, maybe I'll do this circle. Oh, I do love how they have these circles. They're so much fun. So definitely a fan of the circles from Pink Fresh. Like loving how all of this is kind of going together. Okay. And then actually I did have something that I could have used, but that's okay. So I have these little lights from that sticker sheet, and I was going to put them kind of like down here, just like, you know, chilling. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, and I don't know if I need some extra glue, but we'll see. So I was going to do a December daily. I still have the stuff to do to at least start one if I wanted to. I have my photos printed out, but I just don't know. I don't know if I'm going to do it. It's just, I need to start planning earlier than what I do. So yeah. Oh, I love that. That's so cute. Okay. Then I have these two little trees. So these are from that same sticker sheet that I've been trying to use up. So I'm going to put them right here. I know like I probably shouldn't cover up that circle, but that's okay. Super cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm sorry guys for shaking the table and for the lighting, everything, because lighting is not the best, but I do have these acrylic stickers. I was thinking maybe like if I put something right there, Season to be Jolly, that's cute. And then I could do like Joy down here, like another circle, just like right there. I still have 2 more circles, but I do really like that. I don't know if these stars will look good. I don't think so. Okay, I don't think so. And then the last thing that I have, of course, before title, I have to see, I was going to look at maybe putting some, I was going to see about putting maybe one of these, but I really don't know if that's going to look great. Okay, that's not going to look great. I do have these that I was going to use and see about using them. So we have, this green looks really well. This blue looks really well, but I think I'm going to go with the pink. So I just really like the pink. It's super fun and super cute and just adds a little bit of pop to it. So I'm going to add 3 right there. And then I think I'm going to add 3. It's going to add 3 over here somehow, but I don't know how I'm going to do that, or where I'm going to do that at. See, that's 1, 2. That could go. That could work. Oh, and I could do 3 right here too. I'm using all my pink ones, but that's okay. That's what they're there for. Okay, I like. All right, guys, so next is going to be a title. And so I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use this red one. So I'm going to come back and actually show you guys the finished product, because I really don't want to, like, you know, pull all these out and crinkle and all that stuff. So I will be back and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm back, guys, and I decided on this lettering right here. This is called Fitzgerald, and so I've used a lot of this. I actually really do like the these types of lettering, just the skinny lettering, because it's a lot easier to get bigger words like this on there, and you actually get a lot more. So I used that instead of this one, and then I also did end up using some more of these really cute bows, because just I wanted to bring in the glitter element all over the page. So there is my final page. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be sure to come back on my next video, so that way we can get some of this kit used up and make some beautiful little layouts, or maybe we'll do something different. Who knows? I don't really know, but I wanted to show you guys this one, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.